Menteri Rang Ba Kejelau Conrad Kongkal Sangma haka singi palai jong katayo ulalit ban jurip iki jaka ki badan haka New Shillong Township na kebenta bantai iaka Secretariat ke thymmai jong Kejelau Meghalaya. Haka ni kejing jurip ledon lang Menteri Kampen Roysor uba asnyau Palang Dhar Chief Secretary Kejelau uba DP Walang bat kiwe-kiwe ki officer Kejelau. Conrad Kongkal Sangma ulong ba kelet ban jurip ya ki jaka ke berenang ke senong mau pedang, mau ke siang, mau diang-diang, bat mau pat. Ban pet digilong ke babit babiang ne am mensenai ke Secretariat ke thymmai. Ulong baka sorkar, kala itu ya ki arti ki jaka ha mau pedang, bat mau ke siang, bat kin sebisar benia ikini ki jaka. Conrad Kongkal Sangma ulong baka ladan ke jing bentai ki jaka sekitanat sorkar kum talahap ban penbit ben penbiang ya kene ke benta. Bat lahap ban penbit biang yaka. Bat kilala ban penbet biang ya kania bat onyo komba arspa arpo akar kejaka bat kene kejaka kala biang ban snai ke Secretariat bat kiwei pat ki office sarkar ulong baha ke jeng jurep la syam ba kejaka kalong ke biang ba bat kam jengai tan ru na kanong ba shelong bat menta kidang pet ikilat kelinti ban snai ki surok ban penesok bat kene katan ulong ru bahadian bakiladap banyatai sani hak jingelang jangka kunun menteri kumtakin sasyem ya karai ke bakat do. Hagani ke juga kesni Conrad Kongkal Sangma bat ubasnya Palang Dhar kilalet dru banjurep ke Shillong International Center of Performing Arts and Culture SICPAC ke badan hamau diang-diang. Kani ke kesian ke baar bau Menteri Rang Ba Kejelau ulat jurep ke SICPAC bat kesian ke benengkong ke ba ulalet banjurep kedai hau no opera ke senam arhajar katpra. Ban syupen kan mau ya ke SICPAC latih ke jaka ke badan gomba saupo akar bat haga jenglut ke bakot cispak sanpuwei poin lai-lai tor tengka. Bat ekakam kontrak la IT hak arpusan trik unampang arhajar katsan pala aipor beli mensena pendep hapok ke laipuwe trik unopera arhajar katpra. Ka SICPAC kandon ya ka multi-purpose theater ke ban ngam brio hadu syajar news pasan pungut ka open air theater ke ban ngam hadu arpo hajar ne arpusan hajar ngut ki brio ka black box theater ke ban ngam hadu san spatam bat ka little theater na ke benta hapo san spangut ki brio bat ka nonru ka jaka ban peninam ne ban ke exhibition ka jaka penyang kali ka jaka pelang bat kiwe-kiwe bat hagade ka jaka on laru ban penlong ya kita masa ki bahaya.
We have come here to visit in this Maujangjang area, this Maupat area and Maukasing area to see the possibility of shifting the entire Secretariat and government departments to this land. We have two options in front of us. One is in the Maupadang area, and one is in this area where we are right now, and we are examining the possibility of seeing which is going to be a better option for us and a better option for the people of the state, most importantly. And after coming here, we have seen that this area has been divided and given to different departments, so some rearrangement will have to be done, and we are able to rearrange and approximately get about 220 acres of land, which should be sufficient for the Secretariat and other important offices, and also the different accommodations that need to be put up. And at the same time, the other offices and other administrating can also go to the Maupadang area, which we had initially planned. So we could do it on both areas. So this examination is going on, and along with the Urban Affairs Minister, our Chief Secretary and other officials, we have come to see the possibility, and it looks like a very good option, because not only is the land sufficient, but it is also very much closer to Shillong city, and hence it will be easier for the public also. We have also looked at the possibility of connecting Shillong city and this new location through new roads, which of course is a bit early to right now explain, because we're in the planning stage. But all these aspects are being reviewed, and we are positive very positive that the new Secretariat can come in this area, and we have, as I said, come here to examine that, and we find this to be a very, very appropriate location. But obviously there are a lot of areas and issues that we need to discuss. We need to obviously discuss it in the cabinet, and once all those formalities and discussions are over, a final decision should be taken in the next maybe couple of weeks. So we are very positive, and as I said, in order to take things forward, we thought that we should come and physically see the place and look at the entire map, and we are quite satisfied. So within the next couple of weeks, as I said, we should be able to take a final decision.